Okay, good morning all. I think I'm audible. In case if I'm not audible, please give the comments, give the feedbacks in the comments. With three rooms, we can uh, start our session. Okay, rupee is somewhat giving a kind of pullback from these levels. So uh, you can see that the last coming sun trend in the contemporary sun trend. Contemporary sun trend is related with Mars. Okay, the contemporary sun trend started from Mars. So before to that, there was that moon trend. We said the moon trend will be of kind of ups and downs, and we have said that it is not impossible to give a proper trend when the sun is connected with the moon, so that you can see there, so that okay, so Mars 11th. So, so the Mars is mostly in favorable for kind of down market. So sorry. Currently, it is not that much of okay. Mars is a kind of volumetric planet, but mostly that the volume will more towards the downside only. Upside that much volume is not possible. So what I am expecting is a kind of bullish market, but a flat bullish market for the next. I mean, up to the end of 2025 or to that period. And but we can see the good bullishness is in many stocks of Mars, like you can say real estate sector, like DLF, and pharmacy sector, like Aura Pharma, and auto sectors like Hero Honda or Maruti. These kind of sectors will positively perform. You can see some stocks also, some movement, give some movement, we'll see. Okay. Let us say, for example, let us take a stock. Let us take Godrej Properties. I'm just checking it because it's a kind of real estate sector. You can see that the market has started and started to move. I think it will move very well because once this level 2148 is crossed, most probably it will go up to 2400 levels. The key things with the sun trend is sun trend will create a kind of breakout, or in sun trend only you will get a kind of major support, or so from there on a rally will be there, but that rally will be the rally will happen post the sun trend also. Even if the sun trend is closed, the volume created during the sun trend will drag it to that some 5% more if it is somewhat supporting. Okay, and after Godrej Properties, you can look after what Prestige is a company. You can look after that. That's also moving well. And RO Pharma, where is RO Pharma? RO Pharma. Pharma also you can see from 9th or 10th, at least, I mean, from 1 or 2 days before Suntrend, we can see what is happening, that momentum is building, the volumes are increasing. Okay, Pharma, you can see Tata, Tata Motors. Tata Motors is in kind of some demerger, so we can leave it. DLF you can see. See, DLF is also moving very good. It has created a good volume, and it may go up to somewhere around 790, somewhere 6%. Motors, Coal India, PLC, Tata Power. Tata Power is also in good. We will see Tata Power. Tata Power is also has taken support. I think it will move well, but there is a kind of multiple resistance near this 400 levels. Once it has crossed 400, it will move well, I think. But it is not my priority stock. My priority stocks are, I have already shared with you, Godrej Properties, DLF are the good stocks. And this is the idea. See, so you can see that on power stocks and on real estate and pharma, already we got a good movement. So these sectors are related to Mars, and we see a good kind of a movement already started some 4 or 5 days before when the change happened. So this is the sun trend. Regarding the moon trend, it's a kind of mixed trend is there, and 20th is a Diwali, I think. So more of trading, we can check more of trading ones. Okay, from October 21st, 145 to 245 more trading is there. Maybe you can plan these stocks for more trading also. They they hold good value also actually. And the power finances also will more good for Mars. What are the power finance companies like Power Finance is PFC and REC are the major power finance companies. PFC is also looking really very good. You can buy PFC also. Okay, fine. So considering the index on 21st, 21st from 145 to 245, we can for 1 hours it is very hard to predict. But overall, so far the more the timing, considering that period, mostly I'm expecting kind of Jupiter is connected, so we're expecting some positiveness in positive levels in more trading time. I mean, 21st, 145 to 245. Okay, great. So what next? And okay, these are all the things. And mostly today I'm expecting the downtrend. And uh, for Mercury and mm, Thursday, mostly I'm expecting bullish on the first half. And and Friday, I'm expecting a good bullish trend. And coming Monday, Tuesday, Monday and next Monday and Tuesday, I'm expecting a kind of downtrend only. So Tuesday, as I've already said, it is more trading. So 145 to 245, you have to focus. Between 142 to 245, the constant prominent is Jupiter is also connected. So I'm expecting that some level of bullishness will be there. So okay, this is the this is our uh, intraday predictions. So okay, these are intraday predictions. So again, I just want to reiterate that, and there are many ways you can predict. Because, for example, I will tell you, um, you see, let us take this Godrej property stock. See, for 11th, from 11th onwards, there is a change. Okay, but you can see that from 1 or 2 days before, on 10th itself, it has shown a good bullish trend. Okay, that market buyers has come, and you can check that in another stocks also. Let us check DLF. See, in DLF also 11th, it has shown a kind of, by technically it has shown a good reversal. Okay, technically it has shown a good reversal, and it has started to move well also. But you have to apply your all of, I mean, most of you know some basic candle structures and all those things. Here you can see that on 11th, it has given the good volume, and technically also it has moved beyond the certain levels. And what we can expect, it can go up to 790. Okay, okay, then let us take some another example like PFC or Aravindo Pharma. We talked about. Let us talk about Aravindo Pharma. You can see that movement. See, for on 9th or 10th, I mean, exactly 1 or 2 days before that the sun trend changes, you can see good volume. In almost 5 million stocks were bought, and that was kept on hold. It is a huge buying, and with this buying, we can expect a good volume. And as I said already, that volumes will keep on developing during the sun-trend time. So these volumes will drag even after the sun-trend period. Will drag it. Okay, drag it means the pull it to the upper side. Upper sides or bullishness will be there. I already said power sector also will move well. So let us see the power sector. Power sector is also taking good shape. Power sector is taking good shape. You can see it here. See, it will take a good shape, and once it has moved well, it will also support to move well. And HPC also got some good potential. Market, pattern, HPC. See, Prestige. Prestige is also a kind of. Here it is a classic case. You can see the stock has not moved well, but it's a good volume, because it is an indicator that sun trend will work out in these stocks, and it has already shown it here. Okay, so these are all the things that I wanted to discuss with you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So that coming sun trend will go up to, I think, almost to 25. I think 11 to 24 or 25. I think so. For the next 10 days, there is no change in particular sun trend. Next week updates you will get on next week review. So far this is the update and this is the review. And okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so far we have seen the coming sun trend, the current sun trend, and how the stocks related to that and how it is expected to impact on Nifty. And after that, we have seen the stocks related and a brief view of how the moon trend will work in the this week and next week up to Wednesday. These are all my kind of thoughts I wanted to share with you. Please uh, take the positions based on your risk appetite and risk level. Whatever we have suggested here is not calls or recommendations, it's suggestions, and we are just sharing our view of market only. So you can take a final call. It's up to you. Okay. So let us check once again. Okay, then thank you very much. Let us conclude today's session with coming words. Om, Om, Om.